Hello, I'm in a 2019 Chevy Malibu, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you open your hood, and on the driver's side here, this is your battery underneath all this covering. So this should be your positive side here, and then your negative side would be under this panel. You can also double check that on the battery as well. You should see a negative sign here. But from here, to for any corrosion that needs cleaned off, make sure these are all nice and tight. Once you double check these systems, then you take your cables, whether they're leading your jump box or to another vehicle, and you want to connect your positive directly to the metal here as best as you can connect it, and then your negative side to this metal over here. And then same, you want to make sure to your vehicle you're jumping from that the positive leads directly to another positive and a negative directly to another negative. Just because even just for a few seconds of them cross the wrong way, that can cause damage to your computers, fuses, things like that. Make for a bad day. But hopefully once you do that, it helps get your car started. And if you're still having issues from there, you might need to replace the actual battery in here. Which this one, fortunately it's on the top of the motor, so it's not too hard to get to, but you have to go through and disconnect all these different things all over to get it loose so this battery's free. At which point you could just lift this old battery straight out and then stick the new battery in. And be a little patient with your jump start. Not an immediate thing sometimes. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to charge up the old battery enough to work. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.